Hi guys, my name is Tahira and I'm a professional oriental dancer based in Poland. And this is Tahira Belly Dance Diary, where I invite you to dive with me into the world of oriental dance and all its complexities. Let's begin! We all know too well that the inspiration comes and goes, so does the motivation. The problem with this is that we look around to inspire ourselves. We rely on the outside world and count on it to motivate us. Instead, we should redirect our focus inwardly. After all, who knows you better than you do? And who is more capable of expressing your feelings than yourself? The answers to those questions lead to one conclusion. You are the only person who can change your mindset. The biggest source of inspiration and motivation lies within you. But how to tap into it? Here are 5 powerful ways to inspire yourself to achieve your dance goals. Do you know exactly what you want to achieve? Or do you know where you want to be, for example, in 6 months? If not, there's some serious work ahead of you. After all, how do you want to achieve any goal if that goal isn't precise? We tend to use sentences like, I want to be successful in dance. But what does this success really mean to you? If you're a student, does it mean to win a competition or create your own choreography? And if you're a pro, does it mean to establish your own dance school or maybe begin an international career? Answer those questions and write down your vision. Break down the goals into smaller tasks. Make checklists. Tick off the completed tasks. This will align your mindset and keep you going. Knowing where you're actually heading is a big step to inspiring yourself on a daily basis. You want your thoughts moving into right direction. Do you need negativity for this? Of course you don't. Therefore, try to remove it from your life. I know it's easier said than done, but like most of the things in life, it's a process. Step by step, try to replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Start with embracing the fact that you're a human and you will fail at some point, but this failure does not define you. If you had 2 bad hours in a day, should it affect the next 22? And if you manage to choreograph 1 minute of dance instead of 2, does it mean that this 1 minute is worthless? Of course not. Setbacks and disappointment are inevitable, but you have the power to not be ruled by them. Instead of preparing for disaster, maybe start thinking about best-case scenarios. Don't be afraid to hear no. This word is not the end of your dreams and goals. It's just a small obstacle which you can use as a catalyst to strive and achieve success. You must understand that no is not a permanent answer, and by no means it doesn't mean never. Try to perceive it as not now, not like this, or maybe not in this place. The word no is a small hint from the universe that there is something you should think through. And remember that circumstances change. Today's no can be tomorrow's yes. And your ability to not get discouraged by refusal signifies how you can handle the real life. and this can be really inspiring. If you manage to follow the first 3 pieces of advice, it means that you probably have a good understanding of what is your success and you're seconds away from achieving it. Now, it's very important to stay grounded and not get ahead of yourself. The key word here is humbleness. Staying humble will keep you on the right track even if your success will seem overwhelming. Never ever forget why you do what you do, and always support those who are there for you. Your journey towards becoming your own source of inspiration is way better with friends and family. Here comes a very obvious truth, but at the same time a truth that is hard to embrace. So, sit down, breathe in, breathe out. Are you ready? You are in control of you and your life. I know, shocking, but how often we forget that. I mean, you cannot control every little thing around you, but for sure you are in control of your reactions, your thoughts, and your mindset. Live a fulfilled life of purpose and continually reinvent yourself as the circumstances in your life change. Nobody should stay the same person forever. It's okay to change your plans and goals. Nobody forces you to dream about the same thing for all your life. Search, evolve, and let your dance change with you. Whatever the next chapter has in store is completely up to you. So, if you like this episode, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss new episodes from this and other series on my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn from me and dance with me, you can do it, of course, online in Polish and in English. In Polish in my Belly Dance online school, and in English on my You Dance online profile, and I will leave, as always, all the links down below in the description box. And I encourage you to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life. And let's meet here next Wednesday for a brand new episode of Tahira Belly Dance Diary. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!